Have you ever wondered if the food on your plate could quietly be saving or damaging your heart? Our arteries work silently, delivering life with every beat, yet we rarely think about them until a problem arises. Plaque builds up slowly, like a hidden leak, narrowing arteries over years. But you have control. The choices you make at the dinner table can help keep your arteries clear and your heart strong. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula are true nutritional powerhouses for your heart. Their secret? Dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a superhero for your arteries. This widens blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and keeps your circulation flowing smoothly. Add more leafy greens to your meals and give your heart a natural boost. Leafy greens are loaded with antioxidants, powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage and help fight inflammation. Antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting artery health. By eating these greens, you help keep your arteries flexible and your heart healthy for the long term. Making greens a daily habit is easier than you think. Add spinach or kale to your morning smoothie, toss greens into soups or pasta, or use lettuce as a wrap. Aim for 1 to 2 servings a day and experiment with different varieties for flavor and nutrition. These small changes can have a big impact on your heart health over time. From the garden to the sea, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring are packed with omega-3s, essential fats our bodies need. Omega-3s help lower triglycerides, a key risk factor for clogged arteries and heart disease. By eating fatty fish regularly, you can protect your heart and support healthier arteries. Fatty fish are a powerful anti-inflammatory force. Omega-3s like EPA and DHA work at a cellular level to resolve inflammation, protect arteries, and help lower blood pressure. They also stabilize heart rhythm and make blood platelets less sticky, reducing clot risk. Altogether, these benefits make fatty fish a delicious way to defend your heart. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, about the size of a deck of cards, to support your heart with EPA and DHA. Salmon is a delicious, versatile choice, but sardines and mackerel are affordable and packed with omega-3s, calcium, and vitamin D. Try them in salads or on toast for a quick, healthy meal. If you don't eat fish, include flax seeds, chia, hemp, or walnuts, or consider an algae-based omega-3 supplement. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries are nature's candy packed with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their vibrant colors and powerful antioxidant benefits. These antioxidants help protect your arteries from oxidative stress, like rust on a car, reducing inflammation and keeping your blood vessels healthy. So enjoy a handful of berries. They're a delicious way to support your heart for the long haul. Berries do more than add flavor. They help lower bad cholesterol and protect your arteries. Their antioxidants prevent LDL cholesterol from becoming harmful, reducing plaque buildup. Berries also support flexible, healthy blood vessels, helping maintain good blood pressure. For heart health, berries are a delicious, powerful ally, especially as we age. Adding berries to your diet is easy and delicious. Start your day with berries on oatmeal or yogurt for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Blend them into a smoothie for a quick, nutritious meal on the go. Or simply snack on fresh berries instead of processed treats. Add berries to salads or desserts for a healthy twist. Make berries a daily habit for lasting heart health. With heart-healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols, making them a triple threat against high LDL or bad cholesterol. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios help lower cholesterol, block its absorption, and keep arteries flexible. Just a small handful daily can support your heart, especially as you age. It's a simple, delicious way to protect your cardiovascular health. Walnuts and almonds are true heart health superstars. Walnuts provide plant-based omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation in your arteries. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cholesterol from damage. Together, these nuts offer a dual-action approach, fighting inflammation and oxidative stress to help keep your arteries healthy and your heart strong. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses, but moderation is key. They're calorie-dense, so a small handful, about 1 ounce, is enough. Enjoy them intentionally, not as a mindless snack. Add them to oatmeal, salads, or as a satisfying afternoon treat. This way, you get all the heart-healthy benefits without overdoing calories. Snack smart. 1 handful a day is perfect for your health. Extra virgin olive oil is the heart of the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest eating patterns in the world. Rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, it helps lower bad cholesterol and supports heart health. Swapping butter for olive oil is a simple, delicious way to protect your arteries and embrace Mediterranean wisdom. Extra virgin olive oil isn't just healthy fat, it's packed with powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal, which fights inflammation much like ibuprofen. These compounds protect your arteries and keep your heart healthy. So, when you choose extra virgin olive oil, you're making a smart, heart-protective choice. Olive oil is a must-have for heart health. But how do you use it for maximum benefit? Use it as your go-to salad dressing, or drizzle over finished dishes like roasted veggies, fish, or even avocado toast. Using it unheated preserves its powerful antioxidants. And yes, you can cook with it. Just avoid deep frying and use moderate heat. Make olive oil your primary fat, replacing butter and margarine for a heart-healthy boost every meal. For a healthier heart, focus on 5 powerful foods: leafy greens, fatty fish, berries, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil. Together, they create a symphony of protection, lowering inflammation, cholesterol, and supporting your arteries. Remember to reduce processed foods and trans fats. Small, consistent changes, like adding spinach or swapping butter for olive oil, lead to lasting heart health.